Jerusalem Educational Trust, founded in Chennai in 1994 with a non-profitable educational organization. The trust has established Jerusalem College of Engineering in the academic year 1995 with the noble aim of providing quality education at affordable cost to the socially and economically backward sections of the society with a rural background. Jerusalem College of Engineering started functioning in the academic year 1995-96 with 4 undergraduate programs. At present, college offers biomedical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, information technology, 5 postgraduate programs in engineering, applied electronics, power electronics and drives, computer science and engineering, software engineering and construction engineering and management, postgraduate program in management studies and computer applications, 4 collaborative research centers with Anna University, namely computer science and engineering, civil engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering. The principal of the institution, Dr. M. Ramalingam, has graduated from the College of Engineering, Guindy in civil engineering. He has obtained his master's degree from IIT Chennai and got his doctoral degree from the Anna University in remote sensing and GIS application. JCE has produced around 200 university ranks from its inceptions, including 3 gold medals. The college provides comfortable and spacious classroom, labs, seminar halls, and auditoriums. They are designed to promote maximum interaction between the faculty and students. The Research and Development Cell encourages all kinds of research in various fields. The Department of Biomedical Engineering has Biochemistry and Human Physiology Lab, Pathology and Microbiology Lab, Biomedical Instrumentation Lab, Diagnostic and Therapeutic Equipments Lab, and all the labs are provided with computer systems. The pioneer of all studies is considered as engineering, of which civil engineering is considered as the mother of engineering. The department is provisioned with updated laboratories equipments. The laboratories are Strength and Material Lab, Soil Mechanics Lab, Hydraulics Lab, Survey Lab, CAD Lab, Environmental Lab, Concrete and Highway Lab. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering uses a well-equipped and high-tech laboratory. The lab has got high-end systems, printers, and licenses for all the softwares. The department has Relational Database Management System Laboratory, Programming Laboratory, Software Engineering Laboratory, Digital Laboratory, Case Tools Laboratory, Object-Oriented Programming Laboratory, Data Structures Laboratory, System Programming Laboratory, Operating Systems Laboratory, Visual Programming Laboratory, Graphics and Multimedia Laboratory, and Networking Laboratory. The following laboratories are available in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering: Electron Devices Laboratory, Linear Integrated Circuits Laboratory, Microwave and Communication Laboratory, Digital Signal Processing Laboratory, VLSI Laboratory, and Networks Laboratory. The students in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering enjoy the privilege of having spacious and well-equipped laboratories, providing students with an industrial environment. It has Electrical Machines Laboratory, Power Electronics Laboratory, Measurement and Instrumentation Laboratory, Control System Laboratory, Microprocessor and Controller Laboratory, Power System Simulation Laboratory. The Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering is actively engaged in teaching and research with top-notch laboratories and excellent faculty members. The college library has a good collection of books which exceeds 42,000 volumes with 9,693 titles. Nearly 120 national periodicals are available. JCE Placement Cell creates a record in placement count. JCE students participate in various sports events enthusiastically and bring laurels to the college. The college has teams that participate in zonal and national events in games such as cricket, volleyball, handball, badminton, etc. The NSS and YRC units function effectively JCE is accredited with National Board of Accreditation and National Assessment and Accreditation Council, New Delhi, with A grade.